So let's go. Chapter 8, sorry, chapter 7. This is the Bangladeshi coins and notes. There are some pictures about the Bangladeshi coin. In the first picture, we see that there is the 1 paisa. Nowadays, it is not available, but it is granted. 1 paisa coin, 5 paisa coin. This is present. This is not available. 10 paisa coin. This is it is not available, but it is seen. 25 paisa coins is available, and we use this today. 50 paisa coin, 1 taka, 2 taka, and 5 taka is more available. We use it in our daily. All these coins are Bangladeshi coin. There are some notes, Bangladeshi notes. This is the first one, the both side of 1 taka notes, and the second one is the both side of 2 taka notes. In the third one, both side of the 5 taka notes, and the fourth one, both side of 10 taka notes, and the last one is the both side of the 20 taka notes. This is the both side of the 50 taka notes. This is the first one, the both side of 100 taka notes, second one 500 taka notes, and third one the 1000 taka notes to both sides. These notes are available in Bangladesh, and we use daily these types of notes for our daily transactions. So what is the relationship between the paisa and taka? Let us look at their relationship. There is a relationship. You see that there is two 50 paisa coin. This is the 150 paisa coin. This is another 50 paisa coin. We know that 50 paisa and 50 paisa will be 100 paisa. And we already know that 100 paisa equal to 1 taka, because 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. So there is a relation between coins and taka. When a definite number of coins with gather in one place, by adding the sum the coins, we get amount of taka, amount of notes. Extra paisa is the equivalent to 1 taka. Then it is very easy to calculate. What about the following case? In the last one, we see that two 500 taka notes. So two 500 taka notes is equal to 1000 taka. When we need to a small amounts notes, then we take two 500 taka notes instead of 1000 taka notes. What is the amount of the money if there are 10 notes of 10 taka? You have to find it. This calculation is the same as what we learned in the number. We see that there is 10 taka notes. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When you add 10 taka notes, we ultimately it is find out by the multiplication processes 10 taka with 10 number notes. Uh, uh, we get 100. Uh, we get 100. 10 into 10, we get 100 taka. So this is the 100 taka notes. So 10 notes of 10 taka will make 100 taka notes. In this way, by using more number of small notes, we collect the same amount of large number of notes. So let's solve how many taka will be here if in number 1, if you take 20 notes of 10 taka. 20 notes of 10 taka we find out by multiplications or addition process. 20 multiplications 10, we get 200. So there will be 200 taka. 5 notes of 20 taka equal to 5 notes. 5 amount of 1 notes is 20. So it will be 100. So here will be 100 taka. 50 notes of 20 taka. 50 notes of 20 taka, we get 1000. So there will be 1000 taka. 10 notes of 50 taka equal to, this is 10 notes of 50 taka, it will be 500. So it will be 500 taka. 100 notes of 1 taka, hundreds into 1, it will be hundreds. So we can write it will be hundreds taka. 10 notes of 100 taka, it will be equal to 1000 taka. 100 notes of 5 taka, 100 notes of 5 taka, it will be 500 taka. So it will be 500 taka and there will be 1000 taka. By addition and multiplication processes, we find out how many notes build or formed, how many taka of 1 notes or big notes we can find out. And there is we have to find out how many notes make of a definite amount taka equal to a definite amount taka. That means you have to find out 20 taka. How many notes will need 20 taka equals to 100 taka? When you have to find out the number of nodes, you do not find it by the simple multiplications or addition processes. Here you have to use the division process. In division processes you can find out it. So there 20 taka equal to 100 taka, so you have to divide it 100 divided by 20, so there will be 5. So we write 5 notes of 20 taka equal to 100 taka. In the number 9, how many notes of 100 taka equal to 500 taka? So this is 500 equal to 100, so it will be 5. So 5 notes of 100 taka equal to 500 taka. How many notes of 2 taka equal to 100 taka? So 100 divided by 2, we get 50. So 50 notes of 2 taka, 50 notes of 2 taka equal to 100 taka. How many notes of 1000 taka equal to 10,000 taka? So 10,000 divided by 1000, we get 10. So 10 notes of 1000 taka equal to 10,000 taka. So let us think about the amount of the following coins. We see that there is 5 paisa, 3 coin, 1 5 paisa, 2 5 paisa, and 3 5 paisa. And there is 2 25 paisa. How many will be here? You have to simply add it. You see that 3 5 paisa equal to 15 paisa and 2 25 paisa is equal to 50 paisa. So there will be 65. So there will be 65 paisa. When 3 5 paisa coin and 2 25 paisa coin are equally made 65 paisa. There is another problem. 1 10 paisa, 2 25 paisa coin, and 1 50 paisa coin. This is the 10 paisa coin. This is 25 and 25 paisa coin, and this is 50 paisa coin. How many will be in paisa? So 10 paisa, 25 paisa, and 50 paisa. 50 and 25, 25, 50, and 10 110. There is a problem. You write 110 paisa, but we know that 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. So we can write here 1 taka, 100 paisa equal to 1 taka, and here remain 10 paisa. So we can write 1 taka and 10 paisa. 10 paisa. In this way, when the amount of paisa will be more than that of 100, then you have to convert in taka, and remaining amount of paisa you have to write in paisa. Let us calculate about this math. Number 1, 5 paisa, 5 paisa, 5 paisa, 25 paisa. So you have to write 5 paisa, you have to add 5 paisa to paisa and taka to taka. So there is 5 paisa, 5 paisa, 10 paisa, and 5 paisa, 15 paisa, and then 25 paisa. So there will be 40 paisa, 30 paisa, and 2 taka. So we can write 2 taka, 2 taka, 40 paisa. Here we see that 10 paisa, 1 paisa, 50 paisa, 2 taka, and 10 taka. So 10 paisa and 50 paisa, 60 paisa, and 1 paisa means 61 paisa, and 2 taka and 10 taka, 12 taka. So we can write 12 taka, 12 taka, 61 paisa. In the third one, 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa. So 50, we see that 25, 50, 50. That means 125 paisa. And here 10 taka and 50 taka, 60 taka. But there is more than 100 paisa. So we can add 1 taka with here. So here will be 61 taka and there remain 25 paisa. So we can write in the answer 61 taka, 61 taka and 25 paisa. In this way, we can solve the paisa and takas amount problem. We can add with it up the paisa and with taka. There are some problems like that. You given the 24 taka and 25 paisa. How can you select? How can you select it in how many way? Uh, so 24 taka. So he select here 20 taka, 120 taka notes and 1 5 paisa notes and 2 taka notes. So there is 24 taka and there is 5 paisa, there is 10 paisa, 10 paisa. So there is 25 paisa. Here 340 taka and 55 paisa. So there is this. How can you choose each? So we choose at first 300 taka notes, then 220 taka notes. This is 340 taka and 55 paisa. So we easily choose 5 5 10 paisa. This is 5 10 paisa and 1 5 paisa. But in another way, you can select it in paisa. Here you can select it 5 3 5 paisa, then 4 10 paisa, 1 2 3 4. This is not. In this way, you can select 55 paisa. So there is a different way for you. You can choose it. There is 2620 taka and 75 paisa. How we can choose it? You see that there is 4,000 taka notes. So easily we can choose 2,000 taka. And you see that there is a 3 500 taka. So easily can choose 1 500 taka. This is 2,500 taka. and you can choose 100 taka, so 2600 taka, and you remain 20 taka, so you can choose two 10 taka notes. This is 2620 taka, and you have to select 75 paisa. So you see that there is two 50 paisa notes. You select one and remain 25 paisa, so you select two 10 paisa note. This is 70 paisa, and you need one 5 paisa note, so one 5 paisa. So in this way you can choose your amount from the different coin and notes. So there is a calculations, another math. Let us calculate 25 taka and 58 paisa plus 75 taka and 74 paisa. How can we choose it and how can you calculate it? You have to simply add you. When the paisas amount more than 100, then you convert taka and add with the taka. So at first we add it 58 paisa and 74 paisa. So there is 132 paisa and 125 taka and 57 taka. So there will be 182 taka. But the paisa is 132. So 100 paisa is 1 taka. So you can add with it up. So it will be 183 taka, and there remain 32 paisa. So you can write in result 183 taka and 32 paisa. And the last three one for your calculations, you can add with 25 taka and 64 paisa. At first we write 25 and there 64 paisa. Then we write 37 taka and 28 paisa. At first we have to add it 64 and 28 paisa. So 64 plus 28 paisa, so it will be 92 paisa. And 25 taka and 37 taka. 25 plus 37 taka, it will be 62 taka. So here by adding with up we write 62 taka and 92 paisa. In the second one, we have to add 74 taka and 49 paisa with the 36 taka 95 paisa. So at first we write 74 and 36 taka, and here 49 paisa and 95 paisa. When we add 95 plus 49 paisa, we get 144 paisa. And add up 74 plus 36, so 110 taka. But here paisa is more than 100, so 100 paisa equal to 1 taka. With add with up, so it will be 111 taka, and there remain 44 paisa. So we can write here 111 taka and 44 paisa. paisa. In the third one, we see that there is 387 and 2502 taka, and there remain 81 paisa and 74 paisa. At first, we have to add the amount of paisa. So 81 plus 74, so it will be 155. And when we add 387 taka with the 2502 taka, we get 2889, but we add here 1 taka, so it will be 2890 taka, 90 taka, and remain 55 paisa. So in this way, we can solve our points and takas problems, mathematical problems. We can find it, solve it. So there is another math. Mina has 250 taka and 25 paisa. If she will buy a glass costing 120 taka and 75 paisa, how much money will be left? Here you have to find out how much money will be left. So this is a subtraction type problem. At first we write 250 taka and 25 paisa and 220 taka and 75 paisa. At first we subtract it. There is problem. You see that at first there is 25 paisa. You have to subtract 75 paisa. So 25 is smaller. So you cannot subtract from the smaller amount for large amount from the smaller amount. So at first you have to take 1 taka. 1 taka, that means 100 paisa. Add with it up 25. So 100 paisa when add with it up 25. So it will be 125 paisa. And you have to subtract from it 75 paisa. So 507, there will be 12, 5. So there will be 50 paisa. So you can write 50 paisa. But here you have to remember and careful about it. You already added 1 taka, that means 100 paisa with the 25 paisa. So 100 paisa, that means 1 taka, you will have to add 120. So it will be 121. Then you have to subtract. So here 150 or 250, and you have to subtract 121. 21 because the 100 paisa you already added to the 25 paisa and it become 125 paisa, and then you subtract 75 paisa. This 100 paisa, that means 1 taka, you will have to add 120 taka, then it will be 121, then you subtract. So subtracts, there will be 0, so we have to take 1, so there will be 9. 1 we have to add with 2, so it will be 3. So when subtract 5, from 5 to 3 we get 2, and 2, this is 1, so 1. So we can write 129. So you can write 129 taka and 50 paisa. Remain left after marketing. He will buy a glass and costings of 120 taka and 75 paisa. So remain 129 taka and 50 paisa remain. So in this way we can find this. This is the solution processes, same as subtractions. We bring 1 taka to paisa. As we know, 1 taka is equivalent to 1 paisa. Paisa, if we change 1 taka to paisa, calculate will be like of the following. Then taka 1 taka changed to paisa, so you will add with up 120, or you will subtract from the 250. This is the different way, but result will be same. Any way you can solve it anyway. So still result will be 129 taka and 50 paisa. So result will be same. There is some problems. This slide you can save it for your home practice. SP 85 taka 60 paisa, subtract 32 taka 20 paisa. In the subtraction process, you have to more careful about the subtractions, because there will be problem from the small and big number. So you can solve it in your home. So today we will go our question section. You will have to save it and copy it for your home practice. I will go question section. If you any question, you can ask me another problems. Tuhin already raised his hands to ask me his questions, so you can ask me.
আচ্ছা স্যার, আমাদের ক্লাসে বড় ক্লাসের ভাইরা জয়েন করেছে স্যার। মাহি ভাই, আমি ওকে চিনি।
Maybe it is.
Sir, what is the SW? Sir, আপনি SW টা কি বলেছেন?
Silent. No SW, SP. SP, the last
What is
slide.
the SP?
The last slide will be your.
Sir, page 79.
And your question, Tuhin, your question must be in English.
Okay, sir.
Someone we don't know. Sir,
It may be it is a wrong way, because he select it, he click the link, and it may be is possible. Whose name is? What is the name is?
Mahi.
The big brother.
ক্লাস করে আমাদের যে ক্লাসটা ছিল না স্যার, যে আমাদের রুমটা ছিল, রুমের সাইডের রুমটা।
আচ্ছা, মাহি। Okay,
Yes, sir. Many students
there is
are joining our class.
There is a problem.
We don't know that. Who are they? Sir, I don't know.
Silent. Today I have a class with the class 4E at 9:30 p.m. I already linked there in his groups.
Yes, sir.
So they may be it will be a wrong, or it may be a error for his to click the link.
Sir, they are not in the class. Sir, in the participant, we see that Mahi.
Yes, sir. No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Any problem about today's lecture, or any problem about any topics, you can ask me.
স্যার, আমার একটা প্রশ্ন আছে।
Yes.
স্যার, পেজ 77 এর 2 নম্বরে 25 পয়সা প্লাস 50 পয়সা প্লাস 50 পয়সা প্লাস 10 টাকা প্লাস 50 পয়সার উত্তরটা কি?
Which page?
77.
So there is 25 paisa, 50 paisa, 50 paisa, 10 taka and 50 taka.
Yes, sir.
I already
Sir, only 2 minutes left.
I already solved it. 50 paisa, 50 paisa and 25 paisa. So there will be 125 paisa and 10 taka and 50 taka. So it will be 60 taka. But when your paisa will be more than 100, you have to convert it into taka. So you convert 125 paisa into taka. So you get 1 taka 25 paisa. This 1 taka you will have to add with the 60 taka. So there it will be 61 taka and 25 paisa. This will be its answer. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anando, any problem?
No,